Hello guys, this is just one guy and I'm back here with another Unity tutorial, and in this tutorial we're going to do something pretty simple. We're just going to detect the change in a variable. Now when we hit this button to change this simple boolean from on to off, it's going to give us a little message telling us that we changed it, and it's a really simple script but it's pretty helpful. Okay, I'm just going to hit play. Going to go to the console, and you can see when I hit the variable it gives me a little message telling me that the variable is changed. And you can see it goes both ways. We have one variable for detecting the change and the variable that we actually want to detect the change in. Now me personally, what I needed this for was to detect when the character is on the was changing from on the ground to in the air, and I needed a variable to detect when that change happened, and this is the solution I found. Now I'm just going to go into the script and show you how it works. Okay, now we're here in script and you can see it's really simple. All we have is these two variables, the variable we want to detect the change in and another variable to detect the change. Now we just have our update function and we say if the variable that we want to detect the change in equals the one that says detect change, then detect change equals false or vice versa, and then it just prints the change. And that's it. It's just that simple. And this was something I didn't actually know how to do, so I had to look it up online. And this is one of those little coding things that I figured I'd make a video for, so it's a lot easier to find than the method I had to use. Because normally I would have to go through Google and then go through Unity answers and then look for a specific answer where it's actually something really simple. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching.